Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did werkwoorde, verbs in Afrikaans. This time we will cover die weer, the weather in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 15, die weer, the weather. This episode is part of our Afrikaans vocabulary series. Let's first learn some words and then apply them in sentences. Die weer, lug, son, wolk, wolke, wolkloos, onbewolk, wind, winde, mis, reën, misreën, motreen. In Afrikaner culture, the weather, especially rain, is a common topic to talk about because of the prominent role of farming in the culture. Storm, donderstorm, onweer, donderweer, weerlig, blits, bliksem, sneeuw, ijs, ryp, haal, warm, hitte, koud, cool. Now let's do some sentences. We will ask some common questions and show a variety of responses you could make. Wat is die weer vandag? Dit is sonnig. Of, die son skyn vandag. Of, dit is warm. Dit is hittig. Dit is bewolk vandag. Dit gaan later nie meer bewolk wees nie. Hoe was die weer gister? Dit het gedonder weer en geblits. Dit het hard gereën en gebliksem. Be careful to use bliksem in the right context, because it is also a curse word for a person or when you want to hit someone. Let's continue. In die oggend was daar ryp op die gras. Hoe lyk die weer vir môre? Dit gaan reën. Môre is 'n reënerige dag. Dit gaan koud wees. Vandag is die lug wolkloos. Vandag is dit onbewolk. You can also just use an adjective, byvoeglike naamwoord, to describe the weather. Vandag het ons mooi weer. Môre is dit goeie weer. Gister was dit slegte weer. Let's show a recap of everything you have learned today. Go back to the words you struggled with. Thank you for watching. Next time we do the school in Afrikaans, school. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.